So it's time for an oil change in the ScatPack Shaker, and with this tool I'm going to undo the shaker hood so I have access to the oil fill cap, which is located right there, which happens to be right underneath it. And I don't have a funnel for it, but it's okay. Let's get to work. The lugs have the Mopar symbol on them, which is pretty neat. This should be able to pull right up, and you can see here, pull that off, and there we go. Actually lay this on the grass. And there's your plate, and here's the access to the oil fill, and there's the port for the cold air induction that you can see runs to the filter. Here's another view of it.